How to fix Snapchat connection error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat connection error on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again and then just type here Snapchat and then click on it. And first thing you need to do here is to click data usage and allow background data and all of those here, and then just go back and go to storage and clear cache, and that's it. Now just restart your phone and try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it. If that doesn't fix your problem, it means that you need to clean some space. Just go to storage and click clean up and clean some space here, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.